Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you JavaScript and HTML.
So today we're going to learn about JavaScript and HTML. So first there's doctype HTML, then there's the HTML tag, which is at the beginning and end of your program. Then we have head, and then in the head we have a title tag that says hello world, and then we end it. So we end the head, and in the body we have paragraph, which has ID equals message. So there's basically nothing in the paragraph. So the paragraph doesn't show right now. Then there's button, type equals button. Then when you click the button, it'll run the function show message. Then it enters show message. So first we're going to go here. So here we have a script tag. So in the script tag, it is where we put the JavaScript inside the HTML. So here we have document.getElementById. So we're going to try to find something which has the ID message. So the paragraph has the ID message. So we'll go to the paragraph, inner HTML. So equals hello world without function. So here the paragraph will say hello world without function. Now let's save it, and I'm going to do open in default browser. So our default browser is Google Chrome. So the title is hello world, and it says hello world without function. So the show message button doesn't work right now. Okay, now here, noted. Okay, then we're going to go here. So here we have another script tag, and now we have a function, a JavaScript function. This function, the function is called show message. Then the show message function will do document.getElementById message inner HTML hello world with function. So this is in the head, and it will do the same thing, but the code will be inside a function. So it'll do the same thing to the paragraph. So now I'm going to save it, and we're going to open in default browser again. So now the button works, and when you press the button, it'll say hello world with function in head. Then we're going to do over here. So there's another script tag, and then there's a function which is show message again, and document.getElementById message. So it's basically the same thing up here in the head, but you can place this inside the body or the head. So here we put it in the body. So now let's see if it still works. Okay, so now we're going to press the button. Okay, so the button still works, and it says hello world with function in body. So now it's in body. Okay. Lastly, we're going to go here. So there's script src, which is source equals app.js. So this is a JavaScript file, and end the script. So run whatever is in this file. So we place the function show message inside the JavaScript file. So placing JavaScript code inside a JavaScript file will make both folders, JavaScript and HTML files, more neater, and you can know which code is HTML and which code is JavaScript. So we have the function inside here, and here it's going to run the function. So we're going to save it and open in default browser. Okay, now I'm going to press the button again. So now it's hello world, an external file, because the JavaScript is another file. Okay.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.